KTM's road racing program stands as the purest embodiment of its legendary ready-to-race philosophy. On the world's most demanding asphalt circuits, the Austrian manufacturer transforms ambition into speed, innovation into podiums, and racing DNA into global identity. At the top of this hierarchy sits Motogp, the ultimate battlefield of motorcycle racing. Since entering the premier class, KTM has proven it belongs among the elite. With the RC16 prototype as its weapon of choice, KTM combines aggressive design, advanced aerodynamics, and a high-performance 1000cc engine engineered for relentless acceleration and razor-sharp control. Every lap is a statement. KTM doesn't follow trends, it challenges limits. Backed by factory and satellite teams, KTM fields a new generation of fearless riders, blending youthful aggression with technical precision. Their mission is clear: fight at the front, learn fast, and evolve faster. Motogp is not just competition for KTM, it's a high-speed laboratory where every race feeds future development. Beyond the premier class, KTM's dominance in Moto2 and Moto3 reinforces its reputation as a talent-building powerhouse. Especially in Moto3, KTM has shaped world champions and rising stars, proving that success is engineered from the ground up. These classes are where tomorrow's MotoGP heroes are forged, lap by lap. What truly defines KTM road racing is consistency of vision. Racing is not a side project, it is the brand's heartbeat. Technology developed under race pressure flows directly into production bikes, ensuring that every KTM machine carries authentic racing heritage. From the roar of the grid to the final sprint to the checkered flag, KTM road racing is more than speed. It is ambition, precision, and a relentless pursuit of victory, painted in unmistakable orange.